The PXL extension identifies a Pocket Excel spreadsheet file created on Windows CE and Pocket PC mobile devices for lightweight spreadsheet use. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or troubleshoot these legacy Pocket Excel files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering PXL files with corrupted internal metadata. PXL files are Pocket Excel spreadsheet files from Windows CE and Pocket PC devices. They contain spreadsheet data, including cell values, formulas, basic formatting, and worksheet structure in a compact format designed for the limited resources of early handheld computing devices. PXL files use a simplified binary spreadsheet format based on a reduced subset of the Excel BIFF specification optimized for Windows CE platforms. They support basic cell types, formulas, limited formatting, and single or multiple worksheet structures within file size constraints. The anticipated software for loading PXL is Microsoft Excel, created by Microsoft Corporation. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows cannot evaluate formulas, so accurate results depend on compatible spreadsheet tools. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your PXL file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Excel and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. When your PXL file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The file is failing for a technical reason, not a silly one. Before we apply the universal solution, let's review the most likely root causes of the error. First, opening the file. Open the PXL file in Microsoft Excel, which maintains backward compatibility with Pocket Excel formats. Use File, then Open and browse to the PXL file. Excel converts the data for display and editing. Save as XLSX to modernize the file format for current workflows. Next, converting to modern format. If Excel does not recognize the PXL file, try renaming it to XLS and opening it in Excel. Alternatively, use LibreOffice Calc, which supports legacy spreadsheet formats. Open the file and immediately save it as XLSX or ODS for compatibility with modern applications. Finally, recovering data. If the PXL file resists opening in spreadsheet applications, try opening it in a hex editor to verify it contains valid spreadsheet data. Look for recognizable text strings or numeric patterns. As a last resort, use a data recovery tool designed for legacy Office file formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.